People often ask me how I got into candles. It all started while I was living in Brazil and I could not find quality scented candles. Brazilians don't have the culture like Americans do of burning scented candles in their homes. I would come to the US on my trips to visit family and stock up a suitcase with scented candles. I would take them back to Brazil and sometimes give them as gifts to friends. And I realized they loved them, to the point where they wouldn't even burn the candle to preserve it as treasure. So I decided to start trying to make candles in my home. In my laundry room, I mixed ingredients and finally came up with an awesome formulation. And I started selling them to friends and family in a few boutiques. Soon after, I moved back to the US, and daunted by the competition here of candle brands and massive candle companies, I did extensive market research to see if my candle formulations could compete. And the candles I used to previously buy and spend a lot of money on were, turns out, inferior to my formulations. My candles burn clean, they burn slow, and they really scent a space. The ingredients are fragrances made with essential oils and are all IFRA certified for safety. Soy wax blend burns clean and slow, and our wicks are made with natural ingredients. So what started in my laundry room in Brazil has now turned into a business where we are in about 100 Whole Foods Market stores. Our candles are available online and in select boutiques. Thank you for all of your support. I wouldn't be here without you.